Faidike bayarok tabuk sung saiman lainai sini langmao nangkukmani 10ta important habits o habits tamo kaisa ke silainai kubida sini life o nang jodi kebuni life o habits kwrwi khe tini no o video ni bisingtwi saimande nini life bo jekunu samung no success khaina bagwi o 10ta habits no belai khe nini langmao phunangde.
Number 1 wngkha discipline.
Number 2 wngkha fitness. 3 number o tongo visualization. 4 number o tongo confidence. 5 number wngkha create opportunities. 6 number wngkha patience. 7 number wngkha consistency. 8 number wngkha mental strength. 9 number make your own decision. 10 number o tongo believe in yourself. Bayarok ani o video no hamjakhe like comment share tai subscribe khaina tapukdi next video ni bagwi jotono no hambai.